People drink alcohol, varieties of alcohol, varieties of situations, in different seasons, different regions, with different foods. But one who does not want to be unhealthy should keep away from alcohol, keep away from. 1981 January, doctors now should go to society asking everyone to drink to prevent heart attacks. I wrote a letter to the editor in 1981 saying that this is wrong, the whole thing is a false thing, and you cooked it up. She didn't publish it. The editor didn't publish it. 2010, 3 months ago, the present editor of the British Medical Journal writes, there must be a ban on alcohol production and sale for human health. Then I wrote to her. I sent this old letter of mine and a new letter. She published both. Go to Ayurveda. Do you know what it says? People drink alcohol, varieties of alcohol, varieties of situations, in different seasons, different regions, with different foods. But one who does not want to be unhealthy should keep away from alcohol, keep away from alcohol. What a beautiful advice. 15,000 years ago it was written. Now, the human body is not built with the idea that there will be these corporate hospitals, big doctors, tubes and scanners and things like that. No. You are built by whomever it is. If you believe in God, by God. If you don't believe in God, by nature. To live here as long as you can live. But don't you now go home with the idea that if you are having wellness and all, you will live here for 100 years. No, 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 no. You will certainly not succeed. You will die on the day you are supposed to die according to your genes. Nobody under the sun can even extend it by a second. But we doctors can advance it quite a lot. Which we have done. I have proof for that if you want to know. We have advanced it a lot. But postponing, no. And lot of lay people, including medical doctors, have an idea that lifespan is equivalent to life expectancy. The two are totally different. Human lifespan is 120 to 140 years. Modern technology has brought it down now in America to 79 years. Can you understand that? But life expectancy is shown to go up. It's very simple statistics. The statistics is, you know what statistics is? Lies, super lies, and statistics. Lies are ordinary things which people like me talk. When the phone rings, if it is inconvenient, I tell my wife, say that he is eating. That's okay. You're not hurting anyone. Super lies are what politicians say. They'll promise a bridge where there is no river. They will solidify the air and they can make murder look very respectable. The super lies. Then scientists have statistics. See, this study about this cholesterol lowering drug is called meta-analysis. Meta is afterwards, analysis. Studies done and published years ago. These people now reanalyze it and put them all together. 13 studies done in 13 different parts of the world under different conditions. Entry criteria different, exit criteria different, the treatment different, human beings different, everything different. They mix them together, which I call as mix master technique. You know how it's done? You take bananas, apples, mangoes, oranges, sapotas, mix them in a big basket. Then put your hand there blindly, cover it, and take one fruit out and say, this is the representative of this basket. It may be a mango, but there is only one mango. Rest of it is all orange. You understand that? So it is absolutely foolish. So statistically, it is shown that doctors have increased. You know how? Life expectancy is a very interesting word. If a mother has 10 children, 9 of them in India used to die at birth or around birth. If one person lives up to 100 years, what is the life expectancy of the family? 100 divided by 10, 10 years. Now, we just gave them some food, some water, and something, and they improved, and some guys who could wash their hands and deliver the baby. And then it comes 5. 5 children live up to 500, my 10, 50 years. It has jumped from 10 years to 50 years.